Welcome back to Inspirations for Whole Wellness. I'm Lida Sportel, functional health practitioner and psychotherapist. And today I want to talk about peace. And before you turn off the video, because you're like, okay, I know we want peace, everybody wants world peace, everybody talks about peace. I just want to talk about, I know we want world peace. I know we truly all want that. But are we doing the individual work that it takes to have world peace? And when we look at the fact that we are all connected, that what I do on an individual level has an impact on the collective level because we are all entangled, we are all connected. Quantum physics tells us that that's the truth. The Course in Miracles tells us, many philosophies, many spiritualities tell us we are all connected. And that when I do something, it's impacting everybody on some level that I don't perceive. I don't understand how that's happening. But when I do my individual work, I'm contributing to the collective work towards peace. So instead of pointing our fingers out there and saying this and that needs to happen to have peace, this and that needs to happen for this country to, to be a certain way, let's look within and see on a day-to-day basis, what do I do to get closer to peace? And now let me add another thing here. The biggest obstacle to peace is fear. If we look around us, everybody's in fear. Very few people are not experiencing fear right now. So how are we going to get to peace if we are experiencing fear? And so that's what we got to, again, go within and look at our own responsibility in terms of, am I experiencing fear on a day-to-day basis? Because if I am, then that's going to be a big obstacle to peace. And if I truly want peace, then I have to tap into love, which is the antidote to fear. There's only two emotions. Of course, Miracles tells us there's only two emotions, fear and love. So if I want peace, I need to use techniques and tools that I teach you, and that's why I'm here supporting you in this, to get out of fear and into love. And when I am into love and I feel connected and I feel the trust and I feel that it's all working out in the way that it needs to work out, and there's nothing that is, that I should say that it's not working out the way it should. Because if I truly trust that it's all taking us to the place where we're all going to have that world peace that we want. But it has to start with me. If I look outside of me, there's no evidence that any time soon we're going to have world peace or any form of peace in our country. But when I look within and I look at the everyday steps that I need to follow to go from fear to love, to experience peace, then new doors open, synchronicities happen, things start shifting, and all of a sudden it's like, oh, I see what I need to do to contribute to whatever it is my purpose is, or to whatever it is that I can do to contribute to this collective peace. And if you've seen me carry this around as I'm talking to you, it's the essential oil peace. So use this throughout the day, enroll it, your wrists over here, and breathe into this and feel the peace. When you're in fear, use this. When you're in fear, use all the techniques I'm teaching you and that I have inside the whole wellness first aid kit, and multiple other techniques and tools that I give you to get from fear, to get from anger, to get from all these other emotions into love and into peace. And it starts with one person at a time. So you are very important in this part. You have a part in this global change that we're trying to accomplish and that we are going to accomplish. So, you know the song, "Let there be peace on earth and let it begin with me." John Lennon said, imagine all the people living life in peace. We've been talking about these concepts for so long. Let's do them now. So let me know in the comments how this is landing for you and if you're with me in this process.